Thanks for tuning in to Accounting is a Joke. I'm Dr. Who, and it's always my humble pleasure to add some fun in the fundamentals of accounting. Finally, it's time for you to let go those boring textbooks and those lame tutors as we chase the bags towards this accounting information. Remember, gang, accounting isn't hard. It's really a joke. And I'm here to give you the punchline. Bags. So, we already know that accounting by definition is a process that records and reports information in order for people to make decisions. But what we're going to talk about today is that accounting has several different aspects. We have financial accounting, we have managerial accounting, and we even have tax accounting. And so what I want to focus on are the difference between financial accounting and managerial accounning. So, when we're talking about managerial accounting, there's a keyword line right there in front of us. Managerial. Okay, so when we're thinking about managers, I want you guys to understand the fact that the managers work internally inside of the company. So we consider that to be an internal aspect of accounting. So that information that is being accumulated from the managerial side of accounting only is available to the company. In contrast, when we talk about financial accounting, as we already know, financial accounting represents that accounting that's available to the entire world, the public. Now, just because it's financial doesn't mean that internally that information isn't valuable. Of course it is, right? Because it also allows the business internally to make the decisions. But in contrast to managerial, that information only focuses on information that regards to the company within. And what are we focusing on most of the time when we're dealing with managerial accounting? Cost.
What did it cost?
Most managerial accounting represents the cost aspects of planning, controlling, and decision making. It also assigns costs to the products that are being manufactured in order to generate revenues. Because that information is considered confidential towards various other business competition, this managerial accounting information is only available or accessible internally for the managers. For example, let's consider a famous athletic apparel company whom creates shoes that are sponsored by a famous celebrity athlete.
Just do it!
Let's assume that those particular tennis shoes are very much sought after, and people line up around the corner of the business establishment once the shoe is actually dropped or made available to purchase. Well, those particular tennis shoes range from anywhere in terms of the retail cost from $150 to $200. Question for you guys is, do we actually know how much the actual product costs the company? And when I'm talking about costs, I'm referring to labor costs and material costs that was incurred for the company to actually form the actual product, the actual tennis shoe. And the correct answer is no. But you want to know why?
Why? Why?
Because it's managerial accounting. It's that type of information that is only available for the internal organization. So that's basically it in a nutshell, gang. The difference between financial and managerial accounting simply revolves around who the information is available to. Managerial accounting is only available to the company internally. Financial accounting is available to everyone, internally and externally. Hopefully you understand what we talked about earlier, and if that light bulb is clicking and those brain neurons are firing up, please drop a like, subscribe, or share the channel for more information on how to chase the bag with this accounting. See you soon.